loves, welcome back to Vlogmas. This is my everyday glam. I will do a more in-depth holiday tutorial and soft glam tutorial coming up, but I always like to start with my brows. This e.l.f. product I really love. Then I go in with foundation. I'm using a little bit of a warmer foundation to color correct so I can kind of skip a step. And I'm going to work that into the skin. I love doing complexion. It's my favorite part of makeup and the process of it. So I'm going to do concealer, blush, and set my face. And then I'm going to do a concealer hack with my eyes. I'm just going to go with my darker concealer. I'm going to put it on my eyelids. I'm going to set it with a brown eyeshadow and do a soft wing. Then add some lashes and a bold lip. And the look just turned out so cute. It's so wearable. You don't even have to do a wing liner. You could just do the brown shadow. But I think it just adds a little touch with the lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, I will see you guys soon for Vlogmas. Thank you for watching.